Hey there, struggling to catch those Z's? You're not alone. Today I'm going to share some simple yet effective tips to reset your sleep schedule and get you back on track. So grab a comfy spot and let's dive in. First up, consistency is key. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your body has an internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, which thrives on routine. By sticking to a consistent schedule, you help train your body to know when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up. Next, let's talk about light exposure. Your body takes cues from light to regulate sleep. In the morning, get plenty of natural sunlight. This helps signal to your body that it's time to be awake. Conversely, in the evening, dim the lights and limit exposure to screens. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Speaking of screens, try to wind down at least an hour before bed. I know it's tempting to binge watch your favorite show or scroll through social media, but this can really mess with your sleep. Instead, consider reading a book, listening to calming music, or practicing some light stretching. Let's not forget about creating a sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom should be cool, quiet, and dark. Invest in some blackout curtains, a white noise machine, or even earplugs if necessary. Also, make sure your mattress and pillows are comfortable. Good sleep starts with a good bed. Now, onto a biggie: caffeine. While that morning coffee can jumpstart your day, consuming caffeine too late can keep you wired at night. Try to cut off caffeine intake at least 6 hours before bedtime. This includes not just coffee but also tea, soda, and even some chocolates. Another tip is to stay active during the day. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. Just avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime, as it might have the opposite effect. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, stress and anxiety can keep us up at night. Practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or even journaling your thoughts can help calm your mind. Find what works for you and make it a part of your nighttime routine. Finally, listen to your body. If you're not tired, don't force yourself to sleep. Instead, get up and do a calming activity until you feel sleepy. Lying in bed awake can create anxiety around sleep, making it even harder to drift off. Resetting your sleep schedule won't happen overnight, but with persistence and these tips, you'll be on your way to better sleep in no time. Remember, good sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.